Welcome to this Toolbox talk on Covid-19 awareness. To prevent the spread of the virus, make sure you cover your mouth with a tissue or your sleeve, not your hands when you cough or sneeze. Put used tissues in the bin straight away. Try to avoid close contact with people who are unwell. Wash your hands with soap and water often. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer gel if soap and water are not available.
Keeping your hands clean is the most important way to avoid illness and spreading germs to food and to other people you work with. A variety of diseases are spread by not correctly washing hands with soap and clean water. Do you follow the 6 steps of effective hand washing? Step 1. Wet your hands thoroughly under warm running water and squirt liquid soap onto your palm. Always use antibacterial soap. Step 2. Rub your hands together palm to palm to make a lather. Step 3. Rub the palm of one hand along the back of the other and along the fingers. Repeat with the other hand. Step 4. Put your palms together with fingers interlocked and rub in between each of the fingers thoroughly. Step 5. Rub around your thumbs on each hand and then rub the fingertips of each hand against your palms. Step 6. Rinse off the soap with clean water and dry your hands thoroughly on a disposable towel. Turn off the tap with the towel and then throw the towel away. Never use shared towels.
Getting to work. Where possible, travel to site alone, using your own transport, for example, a car or bike. Avoid public transport where you can. If you can't avoid it, cover your face when traveling and select the least busy. Always maintain a 2-meter safe working distance. At work, wash your hands when you arrive on site, regularly throughout the day, especially if you sneeze or cough, and before or after eating or handling food, and again when you leave site. Always keep at least 2 meters away from other workers, which includes while you are working and during breaks and meal times. Staggered breaks can help achieve this where possible. Stay on site for your breaks. Do not use local shops. Bring your own meals and refillable drinking bottles. Do not share items, for example cups. Only hold meetings that are absolutely necessary. Ideally, these should take place outdoors with a minimum number of people, and those people should be kept to at least 2 meters. Working closely with others. Close working should be avoided at all times. Non-essential physical work that requires close contact. The usual symptoms of Covid-19 are a high temperature. This means you feel hot to touch on your chest or back. You do not need to measure your temperature. Or a new and continuous cough. This means coughing a lot more than an hour, or 3 more coughing episodes in 24 hours. If you usually have a cough, it may be worse than. What should you do if you think you have symptoms? If you develop a high temperature or persistent cough whilst at work, you should report this to your supervisor, avoid touching anything, cough and sneeze into a tissue and put it in a bin, or if you don't have tissues, cough and sneeze into your crook of your elbow. Return home immediately, avoid using public transport. You must then follow guidance on self-isolation and not return to work until your period of self-isolation has been completed. Use the 111 online coronavirus service if you have either of these symptoms. The 111 online coronavirus service will ask you about your symptoms and tell you what to do. Use the 111 online coronavirus service. Only call 111 if you cannot get help online. If you have one of the following criteria, you'll need to self-isolate. Do not come to site. A high temperature or new persistent cough. Are a vulnerable person by virtue of age, underlying health condition, clinical condition or pregnancy. Living with someone in self-isolation or with a vulnerable person.